Xumo TV's brightness isn't controlled directly within the app. Instead, you adjust it through your TV's settings or the Xumo TV box's interface. First, ensure Xumo is running on your screen. Use your TV remote to access the menu or settings. Navigate to Picture and then Brightness or Backlight. Use the on-screen controls to adjust to your preference. For the Xumo TV box, press the Settings button on its remote, then navigate to Picture and Brightness. Keep in mind that brightness adjusts the overall image intensity, while backlight controls the panel illumination, affecting energy consumption. Aim for 40 to 60% brightness for comfortable daytime viewing to avoid eye strain. Many modern TVs have AI-driven ambient light sensors that automatically adjust brightness based on room lighting. Consider enabling HDR mode within the Xumo app under Video Settings for a more dynamic brightness range that syncs with your TV adjustments. Also, explore picture modes like Cinema, which typically lower brightness for immersive viewing. Looking ahead, expect more automation with AI and integration with AR glasses, where brightness can be adjusted via gestures. By 2026, Xumo may introduce in-app brightness sliders, but for now, focus on your TV's native settings for the best experience. Keep an eye out for TVs with dynamic backlighting to save energy.